Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a better than takeout vegetable fried rice with grilled Cornish hen in a sweet Asian chili sauce. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching.
First, I'm going to chop some green onions to use later as a garnish. Next up is the Cornish hen. I'm going to remove the backbone, trim off the excess fat, and flatten the breastbone in order for the Cornish hen to grill evenly. What I'm doing now is rinsing the Cornish hen with cold water, all while getting off the rest of the fat. After that, I will have the Cornish hen breast in cold water, topped off with some lime juice for 5 minutes. Now it's time to season the Cornish hen, and for that, I'm going to use 5 spice powder, minced garlic, olive oil, and salt and black pepper. After seasoning the Cornish hen, I will let it rest until it comes to room temperature so that it will cook faster. Next up is the fried rice. For that, I'm going to use cooked white rice, mixed veggies, sweet corn, canola oil, soy sauce, sesame oil, 5 spice powder, red pepper flakes, minced garlic, and crushed ginger. Now I'm adding the canola and sesame oil to my pan that's on medium heat. Now it's time to add all the remaining ingredients to bring the fried rice all together. Here I'm adding a well to the center to better mix all the ingredients together. Cooking the fried rice only took me about 10 minutes. So after that, I'll leave it on the warming burner and move on to grilling the Cornish hen. The grill is hot and coated in olive oil. So now it's time to add the Cornish hen. This will be grilled for about 10 to 15 minutes on each side or until the juices run clear. The hen is all done, so now I'm gonna coat it in some sweet Asian chili sauce and let it rest for 5 minutes. Now to my favorite part, plating. Instead of white plates, I'm going to use a small cheese board. There you go guys, all done and ready to serve. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every time I post. Bye!